Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video we're looking at food safe fixtures. This is a round UFO style. We'll talk about features, benefits, and when you would install this kind of fixture. This is the food safe NSF fixture. So NSF stands for National Sanitation Foundation. In a lot of different areas, whether it be a kitchen, a food processing plant, they have standards that need to be met by NSF. So this qualifies for all those standards. 120-degree beam angle, tempered glass lens. On the back side, you have your dimming wires and your power wires. What makes this different than a regular UFO style fixture is that it's completely smooth. There's no fins for no heat sink fins, so nothing can accumulate back here. So it's very easy to wash down, and that means that you don't have stuff accumulating that can be a hazard in those kind of environments. If you're interested in this fixture, reach out to one of our sales reps. They can point you in the right direction and figure out if this is the right unit for your project or not.